It's ready. Alright, so Pete's about to roll down this hill right now, or whatever the hell. Oh, fucking bugs.
Try to. I'll stand there.
Dude, I swear there's a shitload of bugs, man. Fuck.
Yeah.
Davey's already there.
I should probably get down there.
It should.
Okay.
Here we go. From another angle.
I guess you go down there. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, exactly. Go from one angle. From one angle, now get this angle. Brian's gonna get that angle, and I'm gonna be here on this angle. So it'll be 2 views. 2 for the price of 1. So yeah. So fuck it, there'll be 2 versions. So yeah, just like in the other video. Here we go!
You guys will do it for me?
I guess not, they're moving out. Here goes Davey.
Davey, you gonna do it? Roll down badass.
Big balls, dude.
I got that shit!
That was deep, dude. In the nuts.
The fucking crotch, dude. Oh yeah.